kitchen magic. So I've said before that intention in making dinner is, in fact, spellcraft. But what about when you're not home? Who's left behind as a guardian, as a protector of your house? I propose the dogs are great guardians of the home. What's to say when, for instance, you're cutting up some chicken breasts, that you don't maybe cut that nasty part out at the breast where, everything comes together and there's that chunk of blood in the vein and other nasty shit that you just really don't want to feed your family, that you don't cut that out and give it a little energy and then toss it to the dogs. And then the dogs get your little magical thing. They're very happy. Who's to say?